A chocolate, a beloved treat around the world, starts as a humble bean. This bean, known as the cacao bean, is the foundation of all chocolate products. It is the seed of the Theobroma cacao tree, which thrives in the warm, humid climates of tropical regions. The cacao tree produces vibrant, colorful pods that contain the precious beans. These trees are often found in countries near the equator, such as Ghana, Ecuador, and Indonesia. Each pod can hold anywhere from 20 to 50 cacao beans, which are carefully harvested by skilled farmers. The journey from bean to bar is a fascinating one, filled with numerous steps and intricate processes. Once harvested, the beans undergo fermentation and drying, which are crucial for developing the complex flavors we associate with chocolate. It involves the dedication and expertise of farmers, artisans, and chocolatiers. Farmers nurture the cacao trees and carefully harvest the pods. Artisans and chocolatiers then take over, transforming the raw beans into delectable chocolate through a series of meticulous steps. They work together to transform this simple ingredient into the delicious chocolate we know and love. The beans are roasted, ground, and refined to create a smooth, rich chocolate liquor. This liquor is then tempered and molded into the bars and confections that delight our senses. Join me as we explore the incredible process of making chocolate, from the cacao tree to your taste buds. We'll delve into the history and traditions of chocolate making, as well as the modern techniques that have revolutionized the industry. This journey will take us through lush rainforests and bustling factories. We'll visit cacao farms, where the journey begins, and see firsthand how the beans are cultivated and harvested. We'll discover ancient techniques and modern innovations. From traditional methods passed down through generations to cutting-edge technology that enhances efficiency and quality, each approach adds its own unique touch to the final product. Along the way, we'll learn how each step contributes to the unique flavors and textures of chocolate. Fermentation, drying, roasting, and conching all play vital roles in developing the rich, complex taste that chocolate lovers cherish. Get ready to satisfy your curiosity and deepen your appreciation for this extraordinary treat. Whether you're a casual chocolate lover or a connoisseur, this journey will offer new insights and a greater understanding of the magic behind every bite of chocolate. Our chocolate journey begins in the heart of the tropics. Cacao trees, scientifically known as Theobroma cacao, thrive in these warm and humid climates. Imagine lush rainforest with tall trees providing shade for the cacao trees below. These trees are sensitive and need specific conditions to flourish. Cacao trees prefer temperatures between 68 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit and plenty of rainfall. They grow best in regions close to the equator, like West Africa, Southeast Asia, and parts of South America. These areas provide the perfect environment for cacao trees to produce their prized fruit cacao pods. Cacao pods, resembling small, colorful rugby balls, grow directly on the trunks and branches of the cacao tree. These vibrant pods come in a variety of colors, from deep purples and reds to bright yellows and greens, each indicating different stages of ripeness and types of cacao. Harvesting these pods is a delicate task, often done by hand to avoid damaging the trees. Skilled farmers carefully select the ripe pods, ensuring that the tree remains healthy and productive for future harvests. This meticulous process requires a deep understanding of the cacao tree and its growth patterns. Farmers use sharp tools like machetes to carefully cut the ripe pods from the branches. The use of machetes allows for precision, ensuring that only the mature pods are harvested while the immature ones are left to ripen further. This method also helps in maintaining the structural integrity of the tree. Once harvested, the pods are split open to reveal rows of cacao beans nestled in a white, pulpy fruit. This pulp is sweet and tangy, providing a protective layer for the beans inside. The beans themselves are encased in a thin shell, which will be removed in later stages of processing. These beans are the heart of chocolate making. Each bean contains the potential to be transformed into the rich, flavorful chocolate that we all love. The journey from bean to bar begins here, with the careful extraction of these precious seeds. The next crucial step is fermentation. This is where the magic truly begins, as the beans undergo a transformation that will define their final flavor profile. Fermentation is a critical process that can make or break the quality of the chocolate. This process involves placing the beans and pulp in heaps or boxes for several days. The beans are often covered with banana leaves or other natural materials to create the right environment for fermentation. The temperature and humidity levels are carefully monitored to ensure optimal conditions. Natural yeasts and bacteria work their magic, developing the complex flavors we associate with chocolate. These microorganisms break down the pulp, generating heat and causing the beans to sweat. This process not only enhances the flavor, but also reduces bitterness, making the beans suitable for chocolate production. The beans are turned periodically to ensure even fermentation, a step that requires both skill and experience. After fermentation, the cacao beans are spread out to dry under the sun. This is a critical step in the journey of cacao beans transforming into the chocolate we all love. The drying process is not just about reducing moisture, it's about allowing the beans to develop their unique flavors. Farmers carefully monitor this process, ensuring that the beans dry evenly and thoroughly. This drying process reduces moisture and further develops their flavor. The sun's warmth gently coaxes out the beans' natural sweetness and complexity. Over several days, the beans are turned and spread out to ensure they dry uniformly. This meticulous attention to detail is what sets the foundation for high-quality chocolate. The dried beans, now a deep brown color, are ready for roasting. This deep brown hue indicates that the beans have reached the perfect stage of dryness, ready to undergo the next transformative step. The journey from bean to bar is a delicate balance of time, temperature, and technique. Roasting is a crucial step that transforms the flavor profile of the beans. During roasting, the beans are exposed to controlled heat, which brings out their rich, chocolatey aroma. This process is akin to roasting coffee beans, where the right temperature and timing are essential to unlock the beans' full potential. Imagine the rich aroma of chocolate filling the air as the beans are roasted. The scent is intoxicating, a prelude to the delicious flavors that will soon emerge. Roasting not only enhances the flavor, but also reduces bitterness, making the beans more palatable. The heat brings out their natural flavors, creating those irresistible chocolatey notes. Each bean is transformed, its complex flavors deepened and enriched. This step is where the magic truly begins, setting the stage for the creation of fine chocolate. Once roasted, the beans are cracked open and the outer shells are removed. This process, known as winnowing, separates the valuable cacao nibs from the less desirable shells. The nibs are the heart of the cacao bean, packed with flavor and potential. The remaining pieces, called cacao nibs, are then ground into a thick paste known as chocolate liquor. This paste is the essence of chocolate, a rich, smooth substance that can be further processed into various chocolate products. From here, the journey continues, with the chocolate liquor being refined, conched, and tempered to create the final delectable chocolate bars and treats we enjoy. Section 5. Refining, creating smoothness and indulgence. Chocolate liquor, the pure essence of chocolate, is intensely bitter. To make it palatable and achieve the desired sweetness and texture, it undergoes refining. During refining, sugar and other ingredients like milk powder for milk chocolate are added to the chocolate liquor. This mixture is then passed through a series of rollers. These rollers grind the ingredients together, breaking down the sugar and cacao particles into finer and finer pieces. This process creates a smooth and velvety texture, a hallmark of high-quality chocolate. Section 6. Conching, the alchemy of chocolate making. Conching is where chocolate truly transforms into the melt-in-your-mouth treat we know and love. This step involves continuously mixing and heating the refined chocolate for several hours, sometimes even days. Large machines called conches gently churn the chocolate, evenly distributing the cocoa butter and creating a silky texture. Conching also plays a vital role in flavor development. The heat and agitation help to evaporate any unwanted volatile compounds, further refining the taste of the chocolate. The longer the conching process, the smoother and more mellow the chocolate becomes. Section 7. Tempering and molding, shaping chocolate dreams. The tempered chocolate is now ready for molding into its final form. This could be anything from simple bars to intricate figures and truffles. The liquid chocolate is carefully poured into molds of various shapes and sizes. The molds are then vibrated to remove any air bubbles and ensure a smooth surface. Once the chocolate has cooled and hardened, it is carefully removed from the molds, ready for packaging. Section 8. Packaging and distribution delivering chocolate delight. The final stage of the chocolate making process involves packaging and distributing the finished product. Chocolate is a delicate treat that needs protection from heat, light, and air to maintain its quality and flavor. Manufacturers use various packaging materials, from foil wrappers to elegant boxes, to protect the chocolate and enhance its visual appeal. The packaged chocolate is then shipped to stores and retailers worldwide, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers everywhere. Section 9. A sweet appreciation, the journey on our palate. The next time you indulge in a piece of chocolate, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. From the cacao tree to your taste buds, this simple bean undergoes a remarkable transformation. It's a testament to the dedication and artistry of countless individuals involved in the chocolate-making process. So savor each bite, knowing that you're experiencing the culmination of centuries of tradition, innovation, and passion. Chocolate, indeed, is more than just a treat. It's a symphony of flavors and a testament to human ingenuity.